Rev360 VAT penalty update for small businesses and companies. Imagine waking up and discovering that your small business has been charged an automatic 100,000 naira VAT penalty, even when your business is still new or not actively making sales yet. Painful, right? Right now, many business owners, startups, and small companies onboarded on Rev360 are confused, frustrated, and scared because of this issue. But there is an important update you need to hear carefully because the government is already looking into this matter and things may soon change for small businesses. However, before that happens, there is one very important thing you must continue doing to stay safe from penalty. And if you ignore it, it may cost your business later. So watch this video till the end because this update affects almost every small company registered on Rev360. Recently, many business owners noticed that automatic VAT penalty of 100,000 started appearing on their account, especially for businesses that were already onboarded on tax romance and Rev360. Some of these businesses are still very small, inactive, newly registered, or not even charging VAT yet. And naturally, many people started asking questions like, why am I being penalized? Is there a solution? Can VAT be deactivated? What should small businesses do now? Can I request NRS to deactivate VAT for me until my turnover is about the required threshold? My business is still new, so I am not charging VAT. Can VAT be deactivated? What should small businesses do now? All of these are questions that many business owners start asking due to this penalty. So in this video, I want to explain the current situation in a simple way so that everyone can understand what is happening. At the moment, discussions and reviews are already ongoing regarding the automatic VAT penalty affecting many small businesses and companies. There are strong indications that the system and penalty structure may be revisited, adjusted, or reshuffled to better accommodate smaller businesses that were automatically onboarded into VAT compliance under Rev360. This is because many businesses affected are still new businesses, low turnover businesses, businesses below VAT threshold, or businesses that are not actively operating yet. So, yes, efforts are being made to address this concern so that small companies are not unfairly burdened automatically. But here is the important part many people should not ignore. Until any official adjustment or new directive is fully implemented, business owners should still remain compliant to stay on the safer side. And one of the safest things to do right now is to continue filing NIL VAT return if your business has no VAT transactions yet. Do not assume my business is small, so nothing will happen, because the system is still active and penalty may still continue automatically if filings are ignored completely. So the smart thing to do now is to stay compliant. File NIL VAT where necessary. Follow official updates. Keep your records. Avoid unnecessary accumulation of penalties. It is always better to stay ahead instead of waiting until penalties pile up before taking action. And if you still do not know how to file NIL VAT properly on Rev360, I already made a detailed, beginner-friendly video showing the complete step-by-step process from start to finish. You should watch that video immediately after this one because it can help you avoid costly mistakes and stay compliant while waiting for further government updates. The truth is, this Rev360 transition is still new for many businesses and a lot of adjustments are gradually happening. The best thing you can do now is stay informed, stay compliant, and avoid panic. Subscribe and turn on notification because I will continue sharing important Rev360 updates, VAT compliance guides, and business survival tips that every company owner should know. I remain myself, me and I, Deborah Rafiu, the brain behind Rev247. And on this channel, I simplify CAC, businesses, Rev360, VAT compliance, and business-related processes so that everyday business owners can understand them without confusion. So, subscribe, stay connected, and let's grow and stay compliant together. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.